Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my walking mobile robot Mirft2 based on the TXT controller and made of fischertechnik. This goes on where the last video left logically, but it's not in a good state. Because last time my connection to the robot failed after a power disruption, and that is the SD card I usually use, and that is an adapter for the SD card, micro SD card, to use in a different system, but it is only the SD card that goes into the controller with the community firmware, and I can't connect anymore. So the community suggested that the SD card is somehow corrupt. I'm going to check out whatever I can salvage, because I do not like to write the whole software over again. So next step is screencast with everything I can do to salvage and maybe restore. Let's go. This is what you normally see. Well, not quite, because I'm not logged on. The controller is not logged on, but this you see frequently, and what I have to do now is insert the micro SD card into the adapter and then push it in a SD slot in the computer and then open. And this is what I see. This is boot. This is data. Home. FTC is the same FTC as here, and here I can, there's .ssh, but what I find more important right now is to find my code, Python code. So I'm going to try to find something. But find file, okay. No, I want .py. Yes, this is what I want. Okay. Then new window, and I want this obviously saved. Let's do this. Go here. All right. My source code is saved. That is very good. And now back here. Home, FTC, and I see something called .ssh. Permission denied. Do I see more? Well, data that is written from anything by the app or by my code, and this is are all pictures, etc., all saved during all the tests and experiments. So with that saved, I exit the card. Now let's see if the card is safely exited. Yes, it's not there anymore. That means that I can reinsert it into the controller and see if I can get it booted. If not, I at least have my code, which I can copy back to the card, and I have to reinitialize the card, which I truly hope I won't have to. And that's it for now. Export several options, as explained in the full video. Does it run? Unfortunately, No. Change some things, found some new parts of the controller, but it doesn't bring the controller back to online. So I have to find out if it is actually hardware or software. Thanks for watching anyway. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. You can support via Patreon and via Ko-fi and via PayPal. If you are a paying member, tier 2 from Patreon or a bronze member for Ko-fi, you have access to all full videos. You can also buy them if you do not wish to become a member or a patron. And all supporters are mentioned at least on my special page on my website, depending on the pledge you make. Also on other places. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.